photons with energy 5 electron volt are incident on a cathode C in a photoelectric cell. The maximum energy of emitted photoelectrons is 2 electron volt. When photons of energy 6 electron volt are incident on C, no photoelectrons will reach the anode A if the stopping potential of A relative to C is. Now see, very interesting, photons with energy 5 electron volt is incident on a cathode C in a photoelectric cell. The maximum energy is emitted photoelectrons is 2 electron volt. So emitted electrons is 2 electrons volt. So that is E minus work function is a kinetic energy. So initial incident energy is 5 electron volt. Work function I don't know, but this is 2 electron volt is a maximum energy of the emitted photoelectrons. So that I will associate with kinetic energy. Now work function will be 5 electron volt minus 2 electron volt, that will be 3 electron volt. That is a work function W naught. Work function. Few people obviously write it as phi naught also. You might be familiar with this. So I got the work function of the surface now. Then when a photoelectrons of energy 6 electron volt are incident on C, no photoelectrons will reach anode A if the stopping potential is. So from this, when they are incident at 6 electron volt, electrons are ejected out, no? Electrons are ejected out, but they won't reach A. Only if this has got a negative potential. So that potential we have to find out. So work function is 3 electron volt for this surface, correct? So now if the incident energy E dash minus W, then it is kinetic energy. So 6 electron volt minus 3 electron volt, kinetic energy of the emitted electrons is 3 electron volt equal to EV naught. So VEE cancels off. Now see here, this should be negative with respect to C. They should not reach anode, means anode should have the maximum possible negative voltage. So the potential of A, that is VA minus VC, VA minus VC should be equal to dropping potential. That is dropping potential, because A should be at the least potential, so it should be minus V dropping. So that is VA minus V naught is also stopping potential, which is 3 volt. So the dropping potential should be minus V dropping. So the stopping potential should be minus 3 volt, or the dropping potential should be minus 3 volt. So potential at C should be greater than potential at A. That is why you should get the negative sign. That is, potential of A with respect to C should always be negative. That is, potential of A with respect to C should be minus 3 volt in order to stop the electrons from reaching the anode. So by the look of things, option D seems to be the correct answer.